The Edge Street is the priciest trim in the Edge lineup, and its $42,355 base price tops that of the entry-level Edge SE by $12,360. That coin, though, nets a dedicated performance model that includes standard all-wheel drive, a 1,450 option on the SE, a trim-specific 335 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 engine, special suspension tuning, and distinctive exterior styling. In fact, there's truly no direct competitor to the Edge Street. Only the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer RS comes close, although the bow-tie badged crossover does without a model-exclusive engine. Despite this, the Blazer RS actually costs $1,145 more than the Edge Street. Still, the Ford's value is relative. If performance is a high priority on your midsize crossover shopping list, then it's hard to argue against the Street. But if, like many buyers in this segment, you seek the latest comfort, convenience, and active safety kit, then you'll need to shell out a sizable chunk of change on optional extras. Thanks to $9,370 in options and $1,095 in destination fees, this Edge Saint wears a sticker price of $52,820. That's uncomfortably close to high-end performance-minded crossovers such as the $54,650 BMW X3 M40i and the $56,250 Mercedes-AMG GLC 43. Of course, this heavily optioned Edge comes with features missing from the base X3 M40i and GLC 43, but what the Ford offers in toys it lacks in driving engagement and prestige.